Professor Sumioka's 1-minute philosophy.
Hi, how do you do?
Professor Sumioka, what is Yangmingism?
It is an interpretation of Zeus's Neo-Confucianism by one Yangming around 1500. Although Zeus seems to have regarded the terrestrial five materials as the cause of disturbance, according to one Yangming, they are in fact good as the nature. In order to set them in the right way, we should cultivate our sympathy for the unity of all things and all people.
What is it all about?
In nature, the world is built to work well. Nonetheless, if it does not do, it is because really you do not do what you should do, or because as the world driver you lack the heart of our whole world. So one Yangming advocates expanding on job training from yourself to the world. That is, at once you must do what you should do. Next, you should gather good wisdom more. And after that, you have to keep the world in the original good state. Here, as well as farmers want harvest, it is also reasonable that merchant seeks gains. The world driver should have a wide heart to consider the realization of every hope of all things and all people as mine. His interpretation was initially criticized as the fake of Zeus's original. However, it rather resembled Mencius, the legitimate successor of Confucius. Therefore, some recognize it as more orthodox than Zeus's Neo-Confucianism as the horror increased more and more.
What do you think?
It is natural that Yangmingism observing diversity is more popular than Zeus's Neo-Confucianism forcing universality. However, it is in one way a hasty activism urging execution without understanding. Therefore, it is sometimes shallow, false, and dangerous.
Professor Sumioka, I got it well, thanks.